So today we're going to test some rice. I've got 5 different kinds that we've had lying around the kitchen. We've got a sushi rice, a basmati, a parboiled long grain white, an enriched long grain white. This is just your standard commodity, and then a standard brown rice. And all of the ratios are 2 to 1, except for I believe the sushi short grain rice is a 2.5 to 1 water to rice ratio. There are a couple differences. Obviously, the look. The parboiled is just as they say, a parboiled or a par cooked rice. I've done it in C-Vap many times, and it works out beautifully, as does the regular enriched long grain white rice. Other 3, haven't done a whole lot in C-Vap. The brown rice I've done a couple of times. This one is going to be a little bit more different. We want to boil the water first. All the other 4, we're just going to do cold water, tap water, and we're going to cover them with parchment and foil, nice and tight all the way around the edges of the container. And then we're going to go into an RTD, retherm, at 200 on vapor, 350 on air. For an undetermined amount of time. We'll pull them out at some point after probably about 15-20 minutes. Look at them, fluff them, and if they're ready to pull, we'll pull them at that time. If not, we'll just let them cook a little bit further. Okay. So this was the short grain sushi rice was the only one that called for rinsing first, and I went ahead and rinsed this rice. I'm going to put 5 cups of water, is about 2.5 cups of rice. Go 1 more cup. Basmati. Parboiled. Grain. Rice. Okay. And I've got water.